What's your name?
Natalie.
Natalie. What's your position
Transaction
here at
coordinator.
VLG? Okay, gotcha. And what do you feel most proud of here at VLG?
Our purpose, what we do.
Okay, awesome. Cake or pie?
Pie with ice cream.
Ooh, that's good. Sushi or tacos?
Tacos.
Yoga or bungee jumping?
Yogas with brewskis afterwards.
Oh, okay, nice. Cooking or takeout?
Takeout.
What is your personal best quality?
Loyalty.
Okay, if you're an animal, what would you be?
I have no idea.
You gotta pick one.
That's one I didn't answer even when I got hired.
Well, guess what? It's Quickfire by VLG. You gotta whatever. What comes to mind first?
A lynx.
A lynx. Okay, weird flex. And one thing you want people to know about you.
That's a tough one. I like to have fun.
You like to have fun.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you for your time. This is Quickfire by VLG.
Thanks, Ron.